Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your own Slack to LinkedIn post workflow. In this workflow, you'll be able to send a voice note to a Slack channel and it will create a rough draft for you to use in a LinkedIn post. You can apply this to any different content format. You can do it for YouTube, you can do it for blog. I'm just choosing LinkedIn for this example. So here, I'm actually going to show you what the build looks like. All right, here we are inside my Make account. So first, you can see we got some different steps here. We got some Slack, ChatGPT, Claude, and then finally Airtable, and then Slack again. So the first step, the trigger behind all this, is a new event. If you go to triggers, it'll be new event right there. And this is instant. So as soon as you submit the message, this will start the automation. So I have this listening for anything inside a channel called content ideas. And then we have a filter here to make sure that the subtype of this message contains a file, because we don't want any other messages that aren't files. And then after that, it downloads the file, URL private download. And then from there, it transcribes the file. And then this will create a rough draft of the file. And this is a rough draft, meaning it's kind of got a clear vision of who I am, what my business does, and what my brand voice is. But it's not really going to be as perfect as what I would type and write myself. From there, you'll have another brand voice prompt from Claude. And a lot of people say Claude is better at sounding way more human. So that's what we are using this for. So you're using about 1,200 tokens. We're using the Claude 3.5 Summit model. And then from there, finally, we have the hooks. So this will do, there we go. This will pretty much take everything. Oh, there's not hooks. This is going to take everything from all three of these. Well, I mean, all three of these will get put into this. And then this will get put into this one. And then from there, it'll create the actual full formatted post. And then finally, it'll create a record in Airtable in my social media content calendar base that I use for scheduling. And then finally, it'll send it back to Slack. So from there, let us try it out. So let me get my screen set up. All right, so here we are. I have Slack. All right, so here we are. I have Make on one side, Slack on the other side. Now we can actually test this workflow out and live see how it goes. Write a LinkedIn post about why YouTube and LinkedIn are going to be the best ways to generate leads for a B2B software consulting firm. It should be around 300 words and should have a serious but lighthearted tone, and it should also talk about how there is a barrier between technical and non-technical, and if you can be the overlap between that barrier, your videos will perform the best. All right, let's see how that goes. So I'm going to click run once so we can watch it live, and I'm going to click send, and there we go. Now we can see it's going, it's working, transcribing, creating a rough draft now. All right, now it's adding the brand voice, and then finally creating the full post, adding it to Airtable, and boom, here we are. Hey there, business owners. Let's talk about leveraging YouTube and LinkedIn for your B2B marketing. If you're in software consulting or thinking about it, these platforms are gold mines for connecting with your ideal clients. Why? Because they're perfect for bridging the gap between text speak and plain English. That's pretty good. I think maybe a few minor tweaks and this is ready to post. So if you like this video, please subscribe for more. And if you want to build something like this for your business, please feel free to click the link in the description and we can get in touch.